During the first stage of carving up, the giant squid is separated in two parts. First neck, eyes and tentacles together, and then tube with wings go to other station. Neck, eyes and tentacles section is separating beans. Then it go to clean station where neck is separate from tentacles. Then sexual tentacles are separate, suckers and carefully taken off so tentacle is now clean. Whole process is done with plenty of water. The horny beak is taken off and the tentacles are separate per size in 1, 2, 2, 3 or 3 up according to the received lobe. Then they are taken to the Slayer station. In the Slayer station, they are separated carefully and they are weighed in trays per size. Trays are taken on top of each other over a stainless steel base to comply with quality regulation. Then they are taken to the freezing tunnel at less 38 Celsius degrees. When product could reach less 18 Celsius degrees, they are extracted from the tunnel and taken to the packing room. In the packing room, frozen product is stored in sacks, which are closed by sewing and then labeled. Product in sacks is duly label is taken to the storage, where it will wait for shipment. Every single shipment is duly inspected and supervised by quality control personnel to comply with the hygiene standards and quality of the product, certifying that the temperature comply with the regulation. Finally, the container is sent to shipment port accordingly, then to be shipped to final customer in destination.